Three types of rocks, a fun way to learn rock types. The three rock types are sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic. Learn about these rocks and their role in the overall rock cycle. But first, let's have some fun. Remember SimCity? You can remember the three rock types using the acronym SIM: sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic. Sedimentary rock type. Sedimentary rocks are made up of pieces of older rocks, igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary, and organic remains like shells, bone, etc., also known as fossils. When rocks break apart from erosion, they are transported by rivers and streams to lakes and oceans. As the sediment piles up, it is compressed and heated in the earth. Eventually, the high pressures and temperatures lithify the loose sediment into a sedimentary rock. More information on sedimentary rocks if you want to click that link. Sedimentary rocks are the recyclers of the rock cycle. They take any other rock and turn it into a new one. Examples of sedimentary rocks: sandstone, limestone, shale, and conglomerate. Igneous rock type. Igneous rocks are formed when magma cools and turns into a rock. This cooling can either be intrusive, where the magma pool gradually cools and the magma solidifies into an igneous rock. Alternatively, the cooling can be extrusive, where the magma is cooled very quickly, such as during a volcanic eruption. More information on igneous rocks if you click that link. Igneous rocks are the new kids in the rock cycle. They are the new rock on the block, ready to start fresh. Examples of igneous rocks: granite, basalt, pumice, and gabbro. Metamorphic rock type. Metamorphic rocks form from a previously existing rock, be it igneous, sedimentary, or even an older metamorphic rock. Rocks turn metamorphic when they are subjected to very high heat and pressure. This alters the chemical and structural makeup of the minerals within the rock, changing it into a new metamorphic rock. If the rock is heated enough, it fully melts, and if cooled, would be an igneous rock. More information on metamorphic rocks if you click the link. Metamorphic rocks are the change makers of the rock cycle. They take what was once a rock and change it into a new rock. Examples of metamorphic rocks: marble, gneiss, schist, and slate. Looking at this picture here, can you guess what rock type is pictured below? See below for the answer. And this is in Thailand. It is limestone, a sedimentary rock.